So, what's a theory? In psychology, we use theories to organize our observations. Now, the word theory is often used in a derogatory manner. For example, in some of the debate about global warming, you hear people, well, maybe politicians, say, human-generated global warming. Well, it's just a theory. It doesn't make it true. There is excellent evidence for human-generated global warming. You could say we have the best evidence, the best. You'll love it. It's huge. But we're not going to get into this debate. In any case, human-generated global theory is not just a theory. There is a good evidence for it. So what do we mean by theory? A theory is a systematic way of organizing our observations. But a good theory has certain characteristics. First of all, a good theory explains what we already know about the existing observations. Well, if it doesn't, then there is a massive problem with the theory. A good theory provides predictions about things that we don't know the answer to yet. It has to make testable predictions about what things might be like in the future, or what things might be like under different circumstances. In making these predictions, it has to be falsifiable. That's the central defining feature of what a good theory is. Falsifiability means that a theory can be proven wrong. Now, there is a big difference between proven theory and can be proven wrong. A good theory is not one that is proven wrong, but it's one that has the potential of being proven wrong. For example, Sigmund Freud was an influential figure in psychology. However, his theories about the human mind are not great theories by these criteria, because Freud tended to predict every possible outcome with his theories of how the human mind works. So it doesn't matter what he observed, the outcome supported his theory. Those sorts of theories are actually not that useful because we can never test them.